What up? Happy Saturday. My ass was at work at 5 a.m. because I had to save the post office. Me and a couple other guys. It's hard. We're getting these new robotic arms for the package machines, and we had to move the main power cabinet because it's in the way. So we had to like unhook 500 wires and move it and plug it in. And it usually is a week job, and they just told us yesterday that it needed to be done by Sunday. So that was fun. Go post office. Alrighty. Pretty cool basketball field, so getting a little more basketball. I like it. I'll get some more product. But I know what it is. It's they don't say Jim Jennings. I didn't write his name on these, but it's these Jim Jennings bonus packs. He sent me a bunch of basketball, so the next like 5 basketball breaks we have, there'll be a bonus pack. They were hiding under some of my bubble wrap. I'm like, oh crap. All right. All right, just turn off the notifications. Put up our list. If you're in for the 1-on-1, it is at 202. Some people didn't get in, which is fine. You know who you are. And people with the stop signs are not in for the 1-on-1, as usual. Alrighty, here we go. Pick your team. BREAK-PYT-1. Atlanta Hawks, Jeff Jones. Celtics, Jeff Jones. Nets going to Lucas. Hornets, Kevin Molnar. Bulls, Josh Johnson. Cavaliers, Joe Dillon. Mavericks, Jimmy. Nuggets to Lucas. Pistons to Joe. Warriors, Vinny. Rockets to Pat. Pacers, Joe. Clippers, Lucas. The Lakers, Jim Jennings. Grizzlies going to Carlos. Heat to Jared. Bucks, Jeff Jones. Timberwolves, Jimmy. Pelicans to Mr. Molnar Sr. Knicks going to Joe Dillon. OKC, Christian, the Enforcer, Jesse. Magic, Jeff Trojan. Philadelphia 76ers going to Pat. Suns, Jeff Jones. Trailblazers to David Arthur Marks. Sacramento Kings to Mark Money Thomas. Spurs to Lucas. Raptors, Jeff Jones and the Jazz. And the Wizards going to Lucas. Alrighty, good luck, guys. We'll do one bonus pack first to get us started. We'll break them up. How's that sound? Alrighty. And we'll save one for the end. So we'll do this one first. Complimentary. From Mr. Jim Jennings, which we all appreciate. He's a good guy. If you ever have some extra Carolina or Rams cards, throw them his way. He can't wait to get in Carolina breaks this year for $5,000. I'm thinking Jimmy might have a new team. Alright, bonus packs. First off, we got a numbered Reggie Jackson going to the Pistons. It's going to be 263 out of 299 on the Chronicles. Upper Deck, New Wave, Tony Parker for the Spurs. Lucas. Let's see what year that is. 2002. We're going way back. Trojan, you're probably right, bro. Who did they draft? A couple guys, but nothing crazy. Clutch City. A little Ray Allen. That's going to OKC in this year because it's from Seattle. Wow, this is 2006. So OKC, a little Ray Allen, Clutch City on the Tops. Throwing it old school. Tops about to bring back basketball, right? And football. I think they already started with some basketball. But they're about to come back with football. Dennis Rodman. This is one of those puzzle pieces on the Skybox. 1998. Going to the Bulls. So this is a puzzle piece. Maybe you can make it, whole puzzle. Somebody's got to have the rest out there. Josh Johnson. Jimmy mixes it up very well. Going to the Jazz on the Flair. Hot numbers, John Stockton. 18/20 on this one. A little thick here. How about a little Serge Ibaka for the Raptors on Spectra, numbered 152 out of 175, going to Toronto, Jeff Jones. Going to the Nets. A little Kevin Durant. Shiny mosaic. Now, do I have a patch? Jersey Series. John Wall going to the Wizards. Lucas, I think this bonus pack is going to be better than the break. Jimmy, you're killing it with this one. Next up, going to Lakers. That's going to Jim Jennings. Right back to him. Julius Randle patch. I guess I could... He'll probably tell me to random this off, so I guess I could random it off. 90 out of 99. Julius Randle patch. Vested Veterans. That's pretty cool. Lake Show. That is Jimmy's team. Maybe I'll just throw it in a random Lakers package. I believe this is an auto. Going to Hot Atlanta, Jeff Jones. Patch auto, Walter Tavares. 1 of 199 on the Panini Threads. Jimmy just has random autos of everybody, I think. Player worn material on the 2015 and 16 Panini Threads. That was for the days. Oh, that's a rookie too. Back in the days when the jerseys were the player that are actually on the card. Player worn. Now they just put whatever. So bonus pack 1. It's pretty nice. Just remember, if you don't get any hits, except for bonus pack, those will be held to your next shipment. You guys know the rules by now. Alright. Monopoly. We'll start there. I do have one more box. Randomly, my Target app said, your product isn't back in stock. But it would only let me buy one. And I have to pick it up. So I have to pick it up by Monday. So I'll have another box to throw in a random break. I said, why not? Yeah, but they only let you order one now online. This kind of sucks. Empty box. Alright, hopefully this is a hit box, not a miss. Good luck, everybody. Cut the grass yesterday and then all that dust at work, so don't mind my sniffing. I'm not snorting coke yet. Just kidding. Kind of. On top, a little D-Book. Ben Simmons. Josh Giddey, and a little Jamal Murray. Nothing crazy on that one. Mark Williams, rookie for the Hornets. Little Hero, John Collins, and Zion. I work with the Mark Williams. It's not that Mark Williams, though. LaMelo. Come on, get some color. I don't think there's any in this, but Jimmy B. Who's going to win today's game? When do they play? Are they playing now? I don't even know. Trae Young against himself. I don't know if you guys have seen this. They put Trae Young against Atlanta. It's pretty funny. You know Panini can't go without a product with one screw up. And then we got that little, the insert. I think it's a PS5 on the Joel Embiid going to Philly. Philly is Pat. I think there's 10 in these PS cards. Come on, we need some color. Tatum. Ingram. Donovan Mitchell. Maxey. I needed Maxey to score 3 goddamn points last night. 3 more points. And I would have won $300. Those damn parlays get me every time. Jaylen Brown. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get any color out of this box. Rookie, Dyson Daniels for the Pelicans. Luka. Chris Paul. Oh. That's one color card. I don't think so. John Wall. Giannis. Harden. And Nikolai Vucevic. Alright, so nothing crazy out of Monopoly. I'm telling you, bonus packs are probably going to be the win in this break. Revolution, looking for autos, nothing guaranteed. And then their insert is called Galactic. Empty box. Shiny in there, huh? Are you guys just quiet or not talking, or is it my app? No, you guys are just quiet. Say, where's everybody at? Partying Saturday. Alright, good luck, guys. Oh. That one's stuck in there, and it's a die cut. Liftoff, Jason Tatum. Die cut. Pretty nice. For Boston, Jeff Jones. Cool card. I like Revolution. They're like underrated. It's cheaper, I know. I know you're not guaranteed any autos. But if you do have hit auto, it's pretty nice usually. I wish they would put auto in it because I like the product. Alright, here we go. Cole Anthony. Going to Magic. That is an Astro. I forgot they have different. I think that's one of the shorter print ones. Jeremy Grant for Portland. Michael Porter Jr. Zach LaVine. So the Astro. Cool looking card. Yeah, these are just base. Rookie for the Hornets. McGowens. Bryce. A little Vortex. Stephen Curry. Sweet card. Fractal. I think that's a good one. Davion Mitchell. A little Giddy. Miles Turner. Fractal Vortex. Go into those Warriors. They sure did whoop the Lakers' ass game 2, huh? Shocked me. I don't think they're going to win that big. Hornets. Was that Mr. Molnar? It was. Next pack. It's weird that the cards are facing the back of the pack. A Vortex. Jabari Smith for the Rockets. Let's see what that one is. Ah, see, that's not a fractal. So that Steph Curry's a good one. Rookie Ryan Rollins for the Warriors. Is this a Groove? Ah, good guess. Groove. Then we have LeBron James. Who? LeBron James. Halliburton. And Giannis. Man, the Bucks fired their coach. Man, first place, won the ship, what, last year? I believe. You get fired. NBA's brutal. That was like a Cleveland move. That's something Cleveland would do. What are they going to get to replace? That's the question. Rookie. That Dyson Daniels guy for the Pelicans. So pulled him out of Monopoly and now out of Revolution. And that's going to be on the just a base. Nothing crazy. And then for Memphis, Vince Williams Jr. That is going to be an Astro. Then we had good old Kyrie, Jaren Jackson Jr., and De'Aaron Fox. Astro. I forget how it goes. I think Groove is the lowest. Maybe Astro next. I think Fractal's the best one you can pull. I could be wrong now. Might get lucky in the auto. It's probably like a 1 per case or something stupid. Well, that glare was wicked. Don't leave though. We got Jimmy's pack 2 coming up. You know that's gonna be fire. Giannis Shockwave insert. A little Spencer D. Windy. That is going to be the Astro. That was going to Dallas. Anthony Edwards. Jonte Murray. Mike Conley. Space. Who got the Bucks? Oh, Jeff Jones. A little Jalen Duran rookie for Detroit basketball. Detroit? Detroit, Joe Dillon. For the Kings, a little De'Aaron Fox. That is going to be a good one, I think. That's a groove. Cool looking card. That's Mr. Money, Mark Thomas. Bradley Beal. Singon Van Vliet. I got some cool new Leaf baseball coming. I think it's called Exotic. 6 autos in that. That should be here Monday. There's all kinds of people in that stuff. Rookies, veterans, prospects. Should be cool break. I have Bowman Blasters coming too. We're going to do a Bowman Blaster break because I didn't feel like paying ridiculous amount of money. Is that an auto? No, it's not. A ridiculous amount of money for a hobby box. So we're going to do, I got a good deal on some blasters. Rookie Revolution for Miami. Nikolai Ovek. Blasters, I've seen some stuff pull out of blasters too, so. Buddy Healed. This is not a groove. Is this the Astro? Fractal. Nice. Going to the Pacers. Joe Dillon. And our base are going to be Scotty Barnes, Kuzma, and that jerk that kicked the Cavs' ass, Brunson. That guy's good. We did not have an answer for him. On top, rookie, Josh Minoit for Minnesota. Minnesota is Jhennings. Ooh, that's shiny. That's shiny. What is that one going to be called? That's blue. That might be numbered. Maybe? 31 out of 50 on the cubic. Ben Simmons for the Nets. New Jersey. Brooklyn, same difference. Luka. Just a sweet looking card. Too bad it's Ben Simmons. What are you going to do? Bonus pack coming up next. First one was sick. Jimmy did very well. Base. Holiday. Dylan Brooks, that jerk. And the Durant. Alright, nothing crazy out of Revolution. That's another one like hit or miss. I mean, some nice damn cards. They just no really big rookies. Alright. Bonus pack 2. Part 2. There's an A on there, so I believe that means auto. Because Jimmy's the man. First one was nice. Let's see what we got here. We're going old school on top. Jimmy, this one's sticking. What did you do? How about for the Seattle Supersonics, Gary Payton, the Panini Times place in history. On the 19... No. What year is that? 2011. So that'll go to OKC. Playoff contenders patches. Gary Payton. That's a crazy old school card. It's pretty cool. Phoenix Suns. Draft rewind. A little Amari Stoudemire. Hoops. Is Topps Hoops? Fleer. 04-05. NBA All-Stars going to Houston on the Victory Upper Deck. Steve Francis. Man. For the Knicks, how about a little Patrick Ewing? Essential Legends. 2017-18 Essentials Basketball. Didn't they bring Essentials back like last year or the year before that? How about this? Season ticket playoff contenders Chris Bosh on the die cut. 29 out of 99. Sweet card for free, dude. Jimmy hooks it up. Going to the Pistons. Z-Force Grant Hill. Like a boss. He did not throw Michael Jordan in. Stat Tracker. Michael Jordan Hot Prospects. Hey, it's Jordan. I don't care. 2007, 2008. Jimmy's the man. Oh! Patch. Going to the Timberwolves. That is Jhennings. So that will go randomly into someone's package. Jordan Dieng. Remember that guy? Sensational. Minnesota. Then going to the Nets. Kenny Anderson. Wow. 2018-2019. Status basketball. A little Kenny Anderson patch. Two left. Nope, this is it. Last one. That was my filler card. College card. College ticket rookie. Anybody know that one? Zylan Chetham. Going to the Jazz. Utah's Jeff Jones. Jimmy, you outdone yourself again. Appreciate you, brother. Alright, recap real quick. In case you missed the first bonus packs. Tavares for Atlanta. 1 out of 199 patch auto. Randall, that'll get random in because that's Jimmy's card. John Wall, Jersey Series. Kevin Durant. Nets. Ibaka for the Raptors. Stockton. A little Rodman on that one. Ray Allen. OKC. Spurs. Reggie Jackson. And then the auto from Pack 2. Zylan Chetham, is it? Going to the Jazz. Kenny Anderson for the Nets. Dieng. That'll get random into someone's package. Because that's Jimmy's team. A little Michael Jordan. Stat Tracker. Grant Hill going to the Pistons. Chris Bosh on the die cut. Patrick Ewing, Essential Legends. Steve Francis All-Stars. Stoudemire Suns and Seattle Supersonics, OKC, Gary Payton. And then on the Revolutions and Monopoly, Josh Minoit, rookie. Buddy Hield. That's a fractal. Nikolai Jovic, rookie Revolutions. Jalen Duran. I don't think that's, nope, nothing special. Aaron Fox. Groove. Giannis. Shockwave. Spencer Whitty. Astro. Dyson Daniels for the Pelicans. Vince Williams Jr., rookie on the Astro. Bryce McGowens, rookie. A little Steph Curry Vortex, but a fractal. That's nice. And then Joel Embiid was on the Monopoly insert. All right, boys and girls, there's our basketball break. Not bad for cheap. Cheap. All right, I think we're going to head back to the NFL. Oh, and don't forget these three. Cole Anthony, Astro. The numbered Ben Simmons, blue. Cubic, 31 out of 50. And then the Jason Tatum die cut liftoff for Boston. We're going to head back to the NFL. I might throw up a random. see how that goes. I have Playbook and 1 box of Playbook and 1 box of Clearly left. So look for that next. And away we go. Alright, boys and girls. Have a good rest of your Saturday, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Later, Gators.